Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 10th. Let's do another topic of Electronics Spreadsheet, part B of Unit 2. This is data table. First, you have to open any spreadsheet. Let's understand the data table with one example. Suppose you have taken the loan of 10,000 rupees from the bank and the rate of interest is 8% and time is for 3 years. Then we will calculate the simple interest. Now how to calculate the simple interest? Equals to bracket start principal into rate into time divide by 100. Press the enter key, you get the simple interest, that is 2400. It means you have taken the loan from the bank of 10,000 rupees of 8% interest and time is for 3 years. Then you have to pay 2400 interest every month. If you want to calculate that, I will pay the amount in 2 years. You have written 2 and then press enter. The amount will automatically change. Why this amount will change? Because we have put the formula here. Now, if you have taken 10,000 rupees of loan from the bank of 8% interest rate and for 2 years time, you have to pay 1600 rupees of simple interest to the bank. Now, if you want take time for 5 years, you said I will pay the amount of the bank in 5 years. Then how much amount I have to pay? I have changed the time here and now press the enter key. Now you have seen the amount has changed. It means instead of creating different validations in this values, different scenarios, you can create a data table to quickly try out different values for formulas. How we can do this? Just I make the table here. I have written 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, 30,000, 50,000, 70,000, 80,000. Why I had written this amount here? Suppose if I want to check if I will take 10,000 rupees loan from the bank, or either I can take 20,000 rupees from the bank, or either I can take 30,000 rupees bank, 50,000, 70,000, or 80,000. I just want to check. And year, 1 year, if I'll pay in 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, and 5 years, then how much interest I have to give to the bank. This I can calculate in one simple formula, that is data table. What we have to do is, in this table, here I had written the principal amount and here I had written the years in which year I want to pay the amount. And in this column, B8 column, write the formula of simple interest that I had written here. What we had done, equals to bracket start principal into rate into 5, then divide by 100. It came here. What you have to do is, now select this table, go to data, what if analysis, and data table. A data table dialog box will open. In the first row, it has written row input cell. In this table, in the rows, what it has written here? Amount, that is going to change. Amount is changing. Now, what is our amount? This 10,000 rupees. I had written 10,000 rupees. And what is the cell address of this? C2. Just click here. It will come automatically here. Now, column input cell. These are the columns. In columns input cell, what is changing? Year. Here, time is 5 years. Now click here. Cell address of this time is C4. $C $4 will come here. Click on OK. Now you can see the amount will automatically come. How you can read this? If you have taken 10,000 rupees loan from the bank for 1 year and of 8% interest, then you have to pay 800 rupees interest to the bank. And if you have taken 10,000 rupees loan of 8% of interest of 2 years, then you have to pay 1600 rupees. If you have taken 10,000 rupees loan of 8% interest of 3 years, then you have to pay 2400 rupees. If you have taken 10,000 rupees of for 4 years, then you have to pay 3200 rupees. And if you have taken 10,000 rupees loan of 8% of interest for 5 years, then you have to pay 4,000 rupees. Similarly, uh, with the help of this table, you can check if you have taken the loan of 10,000 rupees, what amount you have to pay. You have taken 20,000 rupees loan, what amount you have to pay. 30,000 rupees loan, 50,000 rupees loan, 70,000 rupees loan, and 80,000 rupees loan. I hope you all understand what is data table. Data table is a range of cells in which you can change values in some of the cells and come up with different answers to a problem. Where we get this command? Go to data, what if analysis, and there will be a command data table. Thank you.